This chart is from my Summer Direction Crochet Along. It is designed for interlocking crochet first, which is why you can see the edges have those nice straight border lines. And if you were following along with the pattern as I have written it, you can actually repeat this section in the middle here. And I have my handy dandy crayon to show you. Some of my charts I have colored, but this one I didn't add color. It was before I learned how to do the color stuff. So when you're doing this, it says it's 25 stitches wide, but you are actually repeating this column, this one, 1, 2, and 3. And on the other side, you're repeating this one, and this one. And this stitch here, row, it's stitch 22. It's actually a balancing stitch, so you are actually repeating this one as well. Which means when you go to start your foundation chain, you're going to chain your joining stitch and your end stitch. So you've got 2 for that. You're going to have 3 here, and you're going to have 4 here. Wow, that's great to write in marker pen, eh? No, what is this, crayon? And then this intersection is going to be repeated over and over and over until you get the width of your blanket. And it is written in the pattern how many stitches to do, but you can count them if you wanted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So we know that we are doing, that's great. We have to have these ones, plus we have to have 18 repeated as many times. So we could have 18 plus another 18 plus 18. Okay, drawing in crayon is useless. We are not in kindergarten. Nobody can read that. Okay, crayons, not the best use of material. Anyway, the point is, if you wanted to make marks on here to help you remember, or perhaps you just recognize the sign, that sort of thing. So you'll notice that this row 22 is exactly the same as row 4. So you really only need to do one of them. You just keep repeating, keep repeating, keep repeating. And then when you get to the end, you do it just to keep it matching so that it's balanced. That's the whole point of it. Balancing stitch. I hope that helps. Thanks for coming.